How to know who used my WhatsApp account. Do you want to know who viewed your WhatsApp account chat? WhatsApp linked devices feature allows users to use and run the same WhatsApp account in different phones. So, how to know if someone else is using your WhatsApp account? In this video I will show you how to know if someone used your WhatsApp account without your permission. So, let us start. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Now tap the three dots in the app's upper right corner, then tap Linked Devices. Here you will find all devices use your WhatsApp account. If there is no device, then this means that your WhatsApp is only activated on the current phone. Select the device you want to unlink from your Linked Devices list. Tap Log Out to disconnect the device from your WhatsApp account. Now if you want to secure your WhatsApp account, you can lock your WhatsApp account with your fingerprint. Open WhatsApp and tap the three dots on the top right of the screen. Hit Settings. Now tap on Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Fingerprint Lock. Enable it. When the feature is enabled, you'll need to use your fingerprint to unlock the app even after unlocking your phone. Now go back and tap on Account, and then pick Two-Step Verification. Hit Enable, and then pick your 6-digit PIN. Confirm it on the next screen. Optionally enter an email address to reset the PIN if you forget it, then confirm it. So, this is how to know who used your WhatsApp account. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.